Now with row 5 of this lacy leaf pattern, I already did chain 5. So for this leaf, you can see now it will be just 9 straight double crochets because we are in the middle of the leaf. So starting from the first double crochet, it's just 9 regular double crochets all across. Make sure that you count them when you're done, just to eliminate mistakes, and it's also helpful to check your work after each leaf. Just stop and see what you did to make sure that if there are any mistakes you can correct them early. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one, 9. So each leaf always has 9 double crochets in the middle. So if you have that, you are on the right track. Chain 2, and this leaf is growing, so we will be doing 2 double crochets in the same first stitch. And now 3 double crochet across, and 2 double crochets in the last one. So the total will be 4 double crochets for this leaf. What did I say? 7 double crochets for this leaf. Okay, 7. So 2, 1, 2, 3, and 2 more. Chain 2. And this leaf is the last stitch for it, so it will be 3 double crochets together. So we're always finishing some of the leaves and starting the new ones. So all you have to do is just remember in this pattern we start a new leaf on the 3rd row and after the 6 rows. That's how the pattern goes. So chain 2 and straight 9 double crochets across. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Chain 2. We're increasing for this leaf, so it will be 2 double crochets in the first stitch, 3 regular double crochets in the next 3 stitches, and 2 double crochets in the same stitch for the last one. and last double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2, and we're finishing this leaf, so it will be 3 double crochets together. It's probably the trickiest stitch of all of them. You have to keep 4 loops on the hook before you pull your yarn through all 4 loops. And chain 2, and last double crochet, and chain 3 of the turning chain. I don't think that's the right one. Chain 3 of the turning chain. And chain 5 and turn. And that's how this row looks like. For the last row of this lacy leaf, it's the 6th row of the pattern repeat, you will be increasing this leaf and decreasing this one. So chain 5 and turned, and we'll be just working with 2 leaves. So 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and 5 double crochets in the next 5 stitches. Four and 5. And then the last stitch we will be doing 2 double crochets in the same stitch. And that's how this leaf looks. So 9 total double crochets and chain 2, and this one already had its middle, so we have 9 here, so we will be decreasing, so 2 double crochets together. And now 5 straight double crochets, four and 5, and we have 2 more stitches left here, and there will be obviously 2 double crochets together. Okay, and that's how this row looks. And chain 2 and the last 2 leaves. Again, we're just skipping this one because there's nothing to do here, and doing 2 double crochets in the first stitch. Now 5 regular double crochets in each of the next 5 stitches. Three and 4 and 5, and 2 double crochets in the same stitch for the last one. And last double crochet in the same stitch, Don't forget to chain 2 to separate the leaves, and this one is decreasing, so 2 double crochets together. Now straight 5 double crochets in each of the stitches. Three, 4, and 5. And the last 2 double crochets together. And you see I'm not using any instructions because, as I said, when you understand kind of the logic behind the pattern, you won't need it either. You just need to remember where to add the leaves and to see if you're decreasing or increasing. So after maybe a couple of repeats you'll get it. Alright, and that's the 6th row of the repeat. So now we'll be doing the same row and we'll be adding a new leaf just right here, and we will be adding it right after this first leaf, and then you'll just keep repeating those 6 rows over and over again until your blanket reaches the size that you need. Thank you so much.